This is Tammy with Tammy's Stamping Therapy. I am coming on with a project share and then a sneak peek of some stuff to come. This is a folio that I made. I'll turn it this way you can see. Using one of Rosa Kelly's tutorials. This paper is from the Stamperia paper that was sent to me by Marilyn, who's Sweetwater's Cards. It was very sweet of her to send me this. She sent me the paper, 2 packs of the paper, and then the chipboard embellishments to go with them. And this is the first time I've had a chance to use them. It's called Hortensia, is the paper collection. I love this bird cage on here. So this is the front. This is one of the chipboard pieces, and this little bird is also. And then these guys I just discovered on the box I did for my sister. I saw in a video somebody used these little spray things, and I think they add a lot. If I were to make this again, I would make it with a chipboard base. This is all cardstock, which it holds up pretty well because of how much stuff is in it, and even when you get pictures in it, it's going to be more sturdy. But a cardstock base just makes me a little uneasy because it's so easy to crunch things. So this opens like this. It's got magnets in it. This is the right side. You could add paper and do journaling here. And then it opens like this. This is the left side. This is, it also comes with a sticker sheet. This is one of the stickers. Flowers are like friends. They bring color to your world. When you open this, it opens like that. And then this is a waterfall. So you can put lots of pictures in here. I just left them. This is going, it's gorgeous grape cardstock. So I just left them like that. And this has magnets. Sorry. There is a little chipboard butterfly on there, but I used some heavy-duty magnets to keep this stuff closed. This has another piece of chip. Nope, this is a cut apart. I fussy cut that. The Earth Laughs and Flowers, and then I popped it up and used some more of this spray stuff. And this is a chipboard element. This opens down, and there's just a really pretty, if I can get it so you can see it, a really pretty piece here. And then this is a big waterfall. There's 4 here. So they open. I left them playing on the top. I love this paper. It was so much fun to work with. And then this last one is a bonus. When you open this, it's got one of these twist and fold. Is that what they're called? And then this is one of the cut aparts. Dreams are illustrations from the book your soul is writing about you. Isn't that cool? So I thought this was really fun. I really enjoyed making it. I want to say thank you to Rosa for all of the tutorials that she has, because she has some amazing stuff. I'm participating in her Valentine/love embellishment mini album swap, and I am very excited to be making that because, as you guys know, I love to make albums. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. It's my colors. It's beautiful. I don't know if I have any photos to put in it, but it is so pretty. It might end up in a giveaway at some point. Not sure. And then a sneak peek of things to come. I just received an order from Heartfelt Creations. I recently purchased one of their classes, and it's an online class, and it was 8 different ways to use the Wild Rose stamp die and flower mold set that I have. And it was a very informative class. I really enjoyed it. I love Emma Lou. She's the one who does their classes. And one of the things she used in her class was these large rose hip stamens. So I can't wait to get started with these. The flowers that I made the other day, I have some stamens from Dress My Craft, and they are like a huge, they're the same, almost the same size, not quite as big. And they were cotton, like a cotton wrapped, kind of like a Q-tip. And so I colored them and glittered them. But I really love these vibrant colors. This was very nice. When I opened this, this was what was on top of the box, and this beautiful handmade card. Isn't this pretty? Heartfelt thanks. I love this. This little piece is very cool. And this is pattern, it's printed paper. And then they added this heart with the glitter. And then a very nice note inside from them thanking me for my order. And when I placed my order, it was before the end of the year, they had an amazing sale. I think must be retired items. And this bundle was half price. And so I got it for a great deal. And this is their Perfect Posies. How do I get these little pieces everywhere? They're Perfect Posies, stamps, dies, and flower molds. So that's the stamps and dies. These are the shapes of them all. I like that leaf shape. And the flowers on here, they're just really pretty. And then the flower mold. So I'm going to be working with that sometime soon. So that's more to come on that. And then the other things that I got was this stamp and die that's called Elaborate Birthday. And this is very cool just by itself. It says Happy Birthday, this die. It's a two-piece, is it two pieces? Yeah, two-piece die. But then if you want to stamp it, and it has other sentiments in it also. Today and always, well, same sentiment. Happy birthday, today and always. Hope your day is amazing. To encourage you. So that's really cool. And then I also got this elaborate oval frame. I saw some cards that Emmylou made using these frames, the elaborate frames. So this is my first one, and it's got 6 pieces in it. I can't wait to play with it also. So that is my sneak peek of more to come, plus my folio that I made. I'm curious to know what you think. I just think this is so cool. I love to make stuff like this and then I don't use it. Like, there's a lot of places for photos in here. I guess you could use this for a trip. I mean, it's not a ton of photos, so you could use it for a trip if the color scheme matched. I think it's pretty just to look at. So that's my video for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back at the end of the week with my next Stamparatus video. Have a wonderful day.